Hey, my name is Maximilian. I'm part of Viz Academy and VizMaker team, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn a simple SketchUp model into a photorealistic image in just a couple of seconds, while we already have our interior model. The only thing that we will have to do actually is to prepare our textures and obviously our cameras. So while with exteriors we could have some freedom with materials, and we could just change them inside of a viewport or already in VizMaker. In here we actually have to set them in SketchUp now. So we have to map every texture properly and kind of match colors with what we want to achieve. And later on we just set our cameras. In this case I have prepared one detail, two scenes, one view from above, and that'll be it. So I'm gonna show you this on example of those scenes. So when we already have everything modeled and all of our cameras are set, we just have to press VizMaker button. And for each scene we will have to do this procedure once. So after uploading all of our scenes into VizMaker, we just have to again press left mouse button on our source image, then we can choose view to render and we will set resolution to 2K, and we will repeat this procedure again. So as you can see, it is as simple as it gets. You just press left mouse button, you choose view to render, set your resolution or aspect ratio, and you just press make. Now we can wait a little bit for our results, which should appear very soon. We can see that already our detail is done. So let's compare A and compare B, enlarge this window, and we can see that this did an amazing job. So actually in this scene you have to be very specific with textures that you use inside of SketchUp, because as you can see our hood changed to aluminum, and besides that it did an amazing job and I really like the output. And let's see other ones. So we can see a main view from our kitchen. So this one changed materials a little bit also on our walls, but the outcome in overall is very nice. Let's enlarge the main view and check other results. So here we have different view, and in this case I got exactly what I wanted. Maybe this part there shouldn't be a light source because our window is located on the right, but we could also specify it. So it's only up to prompting. And if you want to have just very quick view on your project, instead of wasting time on rendering, you can actually focus on designing it. So that would be a great tool and great method to check it out very quickly. So without any further ado, let's look at the last one, which is actually one of my favorite cameras. I'm very enjoying like hero shots. They look usually very nice. As we can see, maybe in here, our reflection on tiles in screenshot from SketchUp was a little bit too much for AI, but I'm pretty sure if you would generate it once again, this would be fixed, because this should be an actual reflection. So this light here looks very nice. That's like perfect ambient inside of our interior. And this kind of light, I would say, is one of the most desired lights that you could get and what our clients might want. Maybe also if you're a designer, I guess then you already know that this kind of light usually works the best for showing your images. So that'll be it in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll invite you to our next video.